In today's video, I will guide you on how to effectively make money online using LinkedIn. Be sure to stay till the end because I'll be providing a detailed, step-by-step process that will empower you to maximize your earnings. Plus, I have an exclusive bonus tip that will significantly boost your results. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making strategies. Alright, let's jump right into it. We are going to use affiliate marketing. But this not just like every affiliate marketing video because I'm going to show you a strange way to make money with LinkedIn using affiliate offers, and make sure to try this as fast as you can because it's limited. Soon it's going to be oversaturated and by then it will be hard to make so much out of it. You need to find an affiliate offer. You can use websites like clickbank.com, Digistore24, or any other affiliate platform you prefer. But for this video I'm going to use jvzoo.com. This platform offers great products with great commissions. So all you need to do is go to jvzoo.com, link in the description, sign up for free, and your dashboard would look like this. You can see affiliate section here, but we are not going to use it for now. You head to products, you can top seller option, so click on it. These products are the top sellers, so we are looking for product that's been at the top for a long time. And this product key search starter seems like a good one. In your case it may not be this product, you just choose the ones at the top. I'm just using this one to show you the concept. Now you are going to check if it's at the top a long time, because the ranking is based on today, so you change it 7 days. And you can see this product is still there. This confirms it is a great product and it is going to make a lot of sales. Now you just highlight and copy the product name. Go back to affiliates, find products. Click on filters and paste the product name. And click search. Scroll down and find the product with exact name and click on it. Now you see all the details about the product. It sells for $17 and you get 30% commission of every sale. Go to product age to see what the product is really about. There you go. It says keyword research made easy. So it is about SEO research for businesses, which is good. Now you go back to the product on jvzoo and scroll down where it says this product is still active and click on get approved. It will take you to where you will request approval from the vendor of this product, and in the description just type something that will tell the vendor you are up for it. Like mine, I make it like this. Confirm you are not a robot and click request approval. It normally takes few hours and you'll be approved to use the product. After you get approved, now you head to affiliates, approved products. You'll see the product here, but for now I'm just going to use another product to show you this step. Here where it says get link, that means a product has been approved. Step 2 is to go Google, and on the Google search bar, just enter the product's name, and you'll see so many suggestions for a title. You'll choose key search starter review, because you want it to be a review thing, like reviews on the products. Step 3 is to scroll down on Google and find an article about the product on LinkedIn, and click on it. You can see this is a complete article review about the same product you want to use, so you highlight the whole article and copy it. Keep in mind you are not copy and pasting this article on LinkedIn, but you are going to use it to create a fresh new article using ChatGPT. That takes us to step 4, where you go to ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT, you need to watch this video that show you how to use ChatGPT. After you log into ChatGPT, you will say, hey, using the article below, generate an outline for a fresh new article on the same topic, and then you paste the article you copies from LinkedIn, and wait while ChatGPT generate outline for a new article. Now you see it generate 7 chapters. Next is to go and ask the AI to write each chapter. To do that, you'll type, write chapter 1 and hit enter. After it finishes writing chapter 1, ask it to write chapter 2. And that how you're going to do till you have the complete chapters. All you need to do is copy the whole article ChatGPT write for you, and go back to LinkedIn, click on Write Article in the headline. Make sure you paste the exact title research you do on Google. I'm just going to put keyword research for now, and paste the article. Now you need to create a call to action under each chapter, but first go back to and copy the product link, and here is where the bonus come in. Head to this website shrinkme.io. This website pay you $220 per 10,000 views, so if someone click the link you generate here, even if they don't end up buying the product, you will still get paid by shrinkme.io for clicking. So now copy the link shrinkme.io generated and back to LinkedIn, and add the call to action. Let's make it like this: get a discount on key search $50. And highlight it, make it bold, and click on this pin to add a URL link. Now paste the link you copied from shrinkme.io and click apply. Copy the call to action and paste it across the article like on 3 to 4 chapters, and publish the article. People will find your article on Google search or on LinkedIn, and whenever someone read the article and click on the link you provided, you will get paid by shrinkme.io. And if they end up buying the product, you also get paid the 30% commission from JVZoo. And this is how you can make money online with affiliate marketing using LinkedIn. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That will really help the channel and will be much appreciated. See you in the next video.